if you could comment this slide here, because it looks pretty interesting and pretty complicated. So as I understand, this is one of the projects where you actually taken samples, and here we could see different stratas, or what exactly we could see in this picture with different colors.
Yeah, certainly. Again, it's really highlighting what we mentioned there of the structure of a typical soil organic carbon project, and how it looks in practice. So as you can see, areas that aren't farmed are not included, so they're removed. And you can see, or hopefully you can see, how the project areas have been divided into CEAs. It's maybe a little bit difficult on that one, but there's three CEAs, and then further into strata, which are the coloured zones there. So the yellow, the purple, and the light blue. And then again, maybe a little bit difficult to see on screen there, the sample locations. So they're in the black and blue text, and there's a little crosshair to show where those samples are. And you can see they're quite distributed across that area. So yeah, in structuring those CEAs, we often find it's most useful to focus on really the management areas and areas that are under different management practices or management zones, to group those. When we look at the strata, really we're trying to group by the underlying soil organic content, or soil organic change potential. And to do that, often we don't know beforehand, before the baselining. So this is where utilising some predictors or other measures that we can use to help understand that is really beneficial for us to be able to then create these zones or strata in accordance to that. So you can see they're much more following curved type zones, and following environmental or underlying soil properties rather than farm boundaries and things like that.